Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC prelims economic question. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming prelims exam and also how to solve every question in the easier manner. Okay, and also how to find the certain extreme keywords. Okay, and also how to find the easy pattern type questions. Okay, so all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, the question is about the small finance banks. Okay, so before discussing this question, you have to know about what is small finance bank. Okay, so the small finance bank are the specialized bank that are licensed by the RBI to provide the financial services and product to the low income individuals, underserved communities. Okay, so the small finance bank is their main objective is to for the creation of the financial inclusion. Okay, so every nook and corner there should be certain banking activities need to happen. Okay, people need to save their money, okay, or else borrow certain money to invest in their capital activities. Okay, so by that you can avoid the issues of the money lenders. Okay, so for all these things they created the small finance banks. Okay, and also they created the cooperative banks and also regional rural banks. Okay, so the motive is same. Okay, but the way of processing or else their names, that are the certain changes. Okay, so here it is a small finance bank, it is a specialized bank. Okay, so it will provide the microfinances and micro enterprises services as well as other basic banking services they will provide. Okay, to provide the financial inclusions to these segments of the population who are often excluded by the traditional bank system. Okay, small finance bank help them to access to the financial products such as small loans, savings, insurance, other basic banking facilities. Okay, so what are the regulations for them? Okay, these are the things are most important for the upcoming prelims. Okay, they may ask it. Okay, so the small finance banks are registered as the public limited companies under the Companies Act. Okay, and also governed by the Banking Regulations Act and the RBI Act. Okay, so they have to maintain a CARA of 15%. Okay, and also they have to maintain the CRR and SLR also. Okay, so these are the certain things the small finance bank need to follow. Okay, so and also it is providing certain pathway for to become as a universal bank. Okay, if they are follow certain track records for more than 5 years. Okay, so if they are doing that means that the small finance bank become as a normal commercial bank. Okay, so that thing also happens. Okay, now we are going into the question. Okay, what is the purpose of setting up of the small finance banks in India? So what is the need? Okay, that is the question. To supply the credit to the small business units, obviously for that only. Okay, to provide the banking facility to the unbanked area. Okay, that is the major motto of them. Okay, to supply the credit to the small and marginal farmers, obviously that is also right. Okay, third statement, to encourage the youth entrepreneur to set up the business particularly in rural areas. Okay, there are two extreme words. First, encourage the young entrepreneurs. Okay, see, the small finance bank is actually a bank. Okay, they are not a skill development unit or something. Okay, it is just a bank. Okay, if you are going to that bank, if you are going asking for certain money as a loan means they will provide it. Okay, based on your efficiency of the payment. Okay, so they will judge it and then they will go for the providing the loan or not. Okay, so they won't encourage the young entrepreneur to do the business activities. Okay, next thing, particularly in the rural area, that is also the wrong way. So these two terms are certain way make this statement as a incorrect. Okay, so by that the statement 3 is wrong. Okay, so this is how you have to find it. You have to think it. They are the bank. Okay, how they will say that you have to set up the business activities only in rural area. how they will ask to do that. Okay, that person is had a thought of constructing certain company in the urban area because there is a huge market. Okay, he is asking for money. Okay, but how the bank will claim that person to construct their company in the rural area? Okay, that will actually lead to the yeah, NPA for that person. Okay, for that bank, because the company won't perform well. Okay, so there will be delay in the payment of the interest and the principal. So at the end of the day, it may lead to the NPA crisis. So they won't ask it. Okay, so by that the third statement is wrong. Okay, so the answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Okay, so this is how you have to try to solve any question. Okay, thank you.